Hey everybody, and welcome to CT Guides. I'm your host, Theo, also known as Tao Cruz, and today we'll be doing a lesson on Bitcoin versus Ethereum and Solana, the top three coins in the crypto space. We'll be going over the uses as well as the strengths and weaknesses of them individually, and then I'm going to do a comparative analysis of all of them put together. So Bitcoin is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, and was designed as a decentralized digital currency governed by the people. Bitcoin does have the highest market cap out of all cryptocurrencies and is often referred to as digital gold. That would be because it generally tends to lead the cryptocurrency market and also is more stable versus its counterparts like Ethereum and Solana. So Bitcoin's blockchain is highly secure and decentralized, and that's thanks to the proof of work consensus mechanism and also the extensive and vast network of miners. Much like real gold, many consider Bitcoin a store of value and a hedge against inflation. And with recent institutional adoption of the release of the Bitcoin ETFs, we've seen Bitcoin go mainstream, and even with the professional investing crowd, the institutions. Issues with Bitcoin are that it's very limited in its scalability. A network can only handle a certain amount of transactions per second, and that's around 7, and that can lead to high transaction fees during high traffic times. Another issue is the energy consumption. If you're running Bitcoin miners, that's going to take energy, and the more miners you have running, the higher your electricity bill is going to be. And also the proof of work consensus mechanism, which is what Bitcoin uses, is very decentralized and secure, but it also takes more energy. So Ethereum is a decentralized platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications known as dApps. Ethereum is much more versatile than Bitcoin and offers a lot more utility other than just being a store of value. In terms of market cap, it is the second largest cryptocurrency, right behind Bitcoin. I should add that the smart contracts are what really set Ethereum apart from Bitcoin. They're basically self-executing contracts with the terms already written into the code. And the primary benefits that provides are security, transparency, and efficiency, all of which are attractive attributes for professional industries. Ethereum has the largest developer community and the most extensive ecosystem of dApps. It also includes DeFi, which is decentralized finance, and NFTs, being non-fungible tokens. Ethereum is also transitioning to ETH 2.0, which includes moving from proof of work, POW, to proof of stake, POS, and that's going to improve scalability, security, and just general efficiency. So Ethereum's current proof of work network can handle around 30 transactions per second, which is much more than Bitcoin. Although there still can be high gas fees and slower transaction times, especially during times of high network traffic. And also, the transition to ETH 2.0 does carry some risks, mainly being the technical implementation of the switch, the operational stability of the necessarily as this is going on, and also any economic impacts that would have on Ethereum and any associated tokens with it. Solana's primary attributes are that it's high speed and low cost for every transaction, and that provides a very scalable blockchain solution comparative to Bitcoin and Ethereum that are much slower and higher in fee. Solana is the number 3 cryptocurrency by market cap, right behind Ethereum, and is becoming a strong competitor that may actually overtake it in terms of market cap size in the near future. Solana can process up to 65,000 transactions a second, so light years ahead in speed of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And that's due to the innovative proof of history, POH, and then combined with the proof of stake, POS. Out of the three cryptocurrencies, Solana offers the lowest transaction fees, which makes it very attractive for developers and users alike. And the developer ecosystem is rapidly growing, and we're seeing increased adoption in DeFi, NFTs, and dApps. The biggest issue with Solana is its stability, and it has experienced network outages in the past, which raises concerns about its reliability. Compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, Solana is considered less decentralized, which could pose risks in terms of governance. I'll start with the comparative analysis now. So in terms of market adoption, Bitcoin is easily the widest recognized, and it's mainstream with institutions and retail investors alike. I would say that Ethereum is also mainstream, being that it is the leading platform for dApps and smart contracts, as well as NFTs. Now, we've seen Solana grow very fast, especially in the DeFi and NFT space, but it still hasn't quite caught up to Ethereum, but although it may surpass it in the next few years. Now, the best use of Bitcoin is a store of value. It really leads the market and kind of sets the tone. And it does have the ability to be used as a medium of exchange, although the transaction fees are high and the speed of the transactions are very slow. Now, Ethereum, when it came around, really changed the game because it added utility to cryptocurrency, and that was in the form of smart contracts, dApps, DeFi, and NFTs. Solana takes the concept of Ethereum and wants it to evolve it into something even greater by focusing on high-speed transactions, scalable dApps, and a vast DeFi space, as well as NFTs. Bitcoin is very limited in terms of scalability, at around 7 transactions per second, and that really cements it in a spot as a place of best store value, as that's really all it's capable of. Now, there are current scalability issues with the speed as well as the fees associated with Ethereum. But with ETH 2.0, there's going to be vast improvements on both those fronts. And really, from its inception, Solana had the most potential here. It has the highest transaction output in terms of speed, and also lowest fees, which by far makes it the most scalable. In terms of future prospects, I think Bitcoin is going to remain the dominant store of value and the general market leader. And with the oncoming of ETH 2.0, I do believe that Ethereum has an opportunity here to maintain and also grow its position as the leading smart contract platform. And Solana has the best potential in terms of growth in high-performance blockchain applications, but it really needs to address stability issues with its network in order to really see that mainstream adoption that we've seen with Bitcoin and Ethereum. But yeah, that's going to do it for today's lesson, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, if you have any questions, please reach out to me on Discord or leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Take care, everyone.